to fix Meta AI not showing on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix your Meta AI if it is not showing on your Facebook account. So first of all, just open your Facebook account and check whether you have Meta version AI updated in your Instagram or not, since as you can see that the Meta AI version has not been updated in my Facebook account as of now. So just simply close your Facebook account and open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Facebook and just look whether there is an update pending regarding your Facebook application or not. And if there is no update pending, just simply leave it, and if there is an update pending, just go ahead and update your Facebook account, and that might fix your Facebook Meta AI not showing problem properly. And if that doesn't also fix your problem, just simply open your mobile settings, and after that just go for the app section right there and just simply click on app management from the top. And over here just simply search for Facebook, and after that just simply scroll down and click on storage uses, and over here just simply click on clear cache and clear data. Just simply click on clear cache, and after that just clear your Facebook cache. And once you clear your Facebook cache, your Meta AI problem should be fixed and you will be able to see it after that. And if that doesn't also fix your problem, you need to wait for the update to roll out properly in your particular region as well. Sometimes it takes some time for the Facebook or Instagram or any other social media platform to roll out the exact update in all the different region and the countries, and it takes some time, so you have to wait for it patiently. So this is basically how you will be able to fix your Meta AI not showing on your Facebook account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.